Welcome back to Math Class 6 Standard Children. Today we are going to start exercise 3.7. Already we have finished 3.6. The first part I discussed. Second and third sum left we will discuss later on. Okay, let us start today. 3.7 exercise. This is the last exercise of this chapter. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Now children, first what we have to find out the maximum value of weight. If you have to find out maximum, that means you have to find out HCF. Okay, for finding out maximum, that means you have to find out HCF. I am going to start exercise 7.3. So sorry, 3.7. First sum. Okay, maximum weight of 2 bags of fertilizers 75 kilogram and what is next 69 kilogram. Understood? So and we have to find out HCF for that. 75, make the factors of 75. It can be divided by 3 as well as by 5. Okay, so first start by smallest number. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are. Then another 69. 3 2s are 3 3s are 23, 1s are. So factors of 75, what are these? 3 into 5 into 5. And factors of 69, 3 into 23. So what is common? 3 is common. Okay. So HCF will be 3. So maximum value of weight is equal to, what is that? 3 kilogram. Wherever you have to find out maximum, children, that means maximum or greatest. If the in the question is written like that, that means you have to find out HCF, highest. Okay. Now second question, the boys step off together from same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance? Minimum means LCM. Maximum means HCF. These are the clues that you have to remember to do. Now 63, 70 and 77. Let us solve this. Okay. In this question, we have to question number 2. What we have to find out? Minimum distance. Minimum distance. Okay. Minimum distance. The steps were 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter. These are the very small numbers, and otherwise by making separately the factors or by division method you can find out by any method LCM. Or sorry, 77 it was. 77. First by 7. 3 you can take by 7 as well as by any number. Okay. Okay, I will teach you by smallest number first. Okay, that means 2. 2 threes are no, not by 2. So I think if I will start with that, afterward you can arrange with, okay, you can arrange with that smallest to highest. 7 nines are, 7 tens and 7 elevens are. Understood? Now all are different. 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. Then after that 3 1s are more, 10, 11. Then 5 2s are 11. Then 2 1s are, then 11 ones are. Children, this you can do in the rough work as well as otherwise what you have to do whenever you are finding out LCM, when you are writing, if we are going to start with any number, if we are doing like that, but while writing the factors, you write first smallest, then greater, and then greatest. Like that you have to move while writing. Yes, into 11. So when you will multiply, okay, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. This is, I am showing how I am calculating this. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. And this one 11. Okay, 1110. And then you will multiply 11 3s are 3, 11 3s are 6, 11 6 are 66 and 3 69 and this 0. So what will you get? What will you get here? How I have multiplied that also I have shown. So what will be the answer? So the minimum distance will be minimum, and in answer you will write minimum distance. Okay. Minimum, so the minimum distance each should cover what is that? 6930 centimeter. Okay, that centimeter steps in complete steps. Okay, they have to complete like that. Now question number third. The length, breadth and height of room, this centimeter respectively they have given. Find the longest tape. Longest, again the word suggesting we have to find out HCF, longest, highest, greatest. Okay, longest, highest, greatest. I hope you can. Okay, then can three dimensions of room, which tape can measure the three dimensions of room exactly? अगर आपको इतना लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट का रूम लेना हो तो कितने लेंथ वाली आप टेप लोगे? ओके, तो आप HCF निकालोगे लॉन्गेस्ट. सो यू कैन डू दिस वन. I taught you the method how you have to find out HCF. Now I am going to question number 4. Determine the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Okay, what they asked here, what smallest three-digit number? Okay, children, question number 4. Smallest 3 you will do yourself. You have to find out there also HCF, and fourth I am telling you minimum, smallest, that means LCM we have to find out. Which numbers? 6, 8 and 12 to find out LCM. Okay, 6, 8, 12. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are. Then 3 1s are, then 3 2s are, then 2 2s are, 2 1s are, then 2. I told you whenever you are getting situation like that, if you are not writing the smallest to greatest here, but while writing the factors, you have to rearrange properly. LCM of which number? 6, 8 and which number? 6, 8 and which number? 12. Okay, 12 is equal to, what is that? What is that? 2 into 2, smallest, then 2, then 3. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 is 24. Understood up to that? But they asked smallest three-digit number which is divisible by 24. Okay, that means it will be multiples of 24. Okay, multiples means table. जो 24 के टेबल में 3 डिजिट का नंबर आता है वो स्मॉलेस्ट 3 डिजिट का नंबर आता है, वो लिखना है, स्मॉलेस्ट, नॉट द ग्रेटेस्ट। ओके, अगर हम स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर निकालना चाहते हैं तो कैसे निकालेंगे उसको? ओके, you start writing table 24 ones are, okay, multiples of 24, 24 ones are 24, 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96. I am doing calculation. 25, 24 fives are 24 to the 20. That means 3 digit number. Okay, then afterward the greater number will start coming. So the smallest 3 digit number which is divisible by 24 in answer is 120. 120 is the smallest 3 digit number, 3 digit number which will be divisible by 24. I hope you understood now. Okay, if you are not able to understand, you can repeat the video, you can watch again, you will get idea how I am thinking. Determine the greatest, here greatest 3 digit number. Okay, here they are smallest 3 digit, here greatest, divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Same way you will find out first LCM, then we will find out greatest. Okay, how we will find out, I am telling you. First question number 5, 8, 10 and 12, we have to find out LCM. 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 2 6s are, then 2 2s are, 5 2 3s are. Okay, not divisible, same as it is we have to write. Now 2 1s are, then afterward I am taking order wise here. Okay, 5 as it is, 3 1s are, then afterward 5 1s are. So we have to find out LCM. LCM will be of 8 10 and 12, of 8 10 and 12 is equal to, what is that? How many times 2? 3 times 2. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2, then 3 and 5. 2 to the 4 to the, no, 2 to the 4, and this 6, this 10, 40 and 3, 120. LCM will be 120. Now, they asked, okay, this is a, they asked greatest 3 digit number which is divisible by 120 children. अब उन्होंने जो 3 डिजिट नंबर जो डिविजिबल हो किससे, 120 से, 12 का टेबल आता है, 12 9 का कितना होता है, 108 होता है। तो जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, यू हैव टू थिंक द मल्टीपल्स देयर। ओके, यू हैव टू थिंक मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 12 एट 120। तो 12 के टेबल से लिखना स्टार्ट करो, सेम वे यू कैन डू लाइक दैट आल्सो। ओके, 120 ones are 24, okay, that means 0, 360, 480, 12 5 is 60 and then 600, 3 digit number हुआ। okay, then same way okay, तुम्हें 12 9 का पता है कितना होता है, 108, और 129 का ये आ जाएगा, उसके बाद 120 10 का ये आ जाएगा, तो 4 डिजिट हो गया। इसका मतलब 12 8 का कितना होता है, 96 होता है। तो 96 और 120 9 का 1, तो व्हाट इज ग्रेटेस्ट 3 डिजिट नंबर, 960। ओके, सो this is the answer of this question. 960 is the greatest. Which number? Greatest 3 is greatest 3 digit number. Another method also given for solving this sum. Okay, that LCM निकाला, आप जितना 3 डिजिट नंबर आपके पास ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर 3 डिजिट का 999 है, उसको 120 से आप डिवाइड करिए। ओके, व्हाई आई टॉट यू दिस मेथड, क्योंकि शायद बुक में आपके ये मेथड भी दिया होगा। ओके, क्यों ये मेथड सिखाया? बिकॉज आई टॉट यू द फोर्थ सम बाय दिस मेथड। ठीक है, अब उससे डिवाइड करिए, 12 8 जा 9 6 ये आ रहा है। ओके, व्हाट इज रिमाइंडर? 39। होप यू अंडरस्टूड। तो 3 डिजिट में से पता तो लग गया, ये आएगा 3 डिजिट, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर में से इतना माइनस करो, यू विल गेट बैक सेम 960। तो दिस मेथड आइदर यू डू बाय दिस मेथड, 120 से डिवाइड करो, जितने डिजिट का पूछा है, हाँ उसने 3 डिजिट का पूछा है तो 3 डिजिट का ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर 999 आता है। जो रिमाइंडर आया उसमें से 3 डिजिट नंबर में से उसे माइनस करो, you will get back. I hope you understood now. Now we are going to start next one. Now let's start question number 6. Okay, very important question and same type of question also given in your example in textbook. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time they will change simultaneously again? Okay, this is your question and very important question, children. I have seen in many competitive exams this question was asked. So let's start question number 6. Okay, question number 6, the traffic light at what time they glow? 48 second. Okay, after 48 seconds, then 72 and 108. First of all, we have to find out LCM of these. Okay, so we will get after how much second these lights will light up again. These lights simultaneously they will change the color, glow again. Okay, so first of all, what we have to find out? What we have to find out there? We have to find out their LCM. So 48, then 72 and 108. Okay, LCM. 2 4 2 twos are 2 fours are 2 threes are and 2 sixes are 2 fives are 2 fours are, then 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 eights are, then 2 twos are 2 sevens are, then again by 2, 2 sixes are 2 nines are, then 27 not divisible, so we will write as it is. Now I will start with 3, 3 twos are 3 threes are 3, otherwise I have to start with 2, but I will do like that, 3 nines are. Okay, then afterward I will take 2, 3 ones are 3 threes are, then 3 ones are, then 2 was left to do, so 2 ones are. Now I have to write 1 2 3 and 4 time, I think 2 and 3 times 3 given. Okay, so LCM, I am finding out LCM of 48, 72 and 108. What is LCM? 4 times I asked you to write 2 and 3 times 3. I have written here 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 3s are 48 into 9. 9 8s are 72, 36 and 7 43. Understood? This one for my calculation I have done. No need to do like this. You can do according to your way. Okay, so LCM 432 second. After 432 second these lights will change again, change. Okay, 432 seconds, so answer will be after 432 seconds the traffic light will change again simultaneously, but 32. We will not write like that. In seconds, how many minutes? 60. We will divide by 60. 6 sevens are 42 and 0. 6 7. What we are getting? 12. That means what is that? 7 minutes and 12 seconds are what? 432 seconds is equal to that. 432 seconds is equal to this. Now children, at what time they asked in the question, at what time they change simultaneously. So earlier they changed at 7 o'clock. Okay, earlier they changed at 7 o'clock. So now, uh, at what time? At 7 hours 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, at this time lights will change simultaneously. I hope you understood this. At what time they will change simultaneously. Now we are going to start next question. We have finished question number 6. Now question number 7. 3 tankers contain 403 liter, 437, 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find maximum capacity of container. That very simple question children. Maximum, they asked maximum. That means what you have to find out. I will not solve, you have to solve yourself. I am giving clue. Maximum means HCF. Here you have to maximum capacity, you have to find out HCF. So 7th you will do yourself. Now question number 8. Find the least number which can be divided by 6, 15, 18. Leave remainder 5 in each case. Okay, a little changes. So I will do for you question number 8. Those directly the answer they asked. Okay, that you can do yourself. That's why I'm not solving for you. You can do yours. Now the question was which number? 6, 15 and 18, leaving 5 as a remainder. Okay, so what we have to find out LCM first. LCM of, because least number they asked in this question, 6, 8 and 6, 15 and 18 was there, no? Not 8. 6, 15 and 18. Okay, first we have to find out LCM. 6, 15 and 18 of LCM of this. So let's start. 2 3s are, then 2 9s are, then 3 1s are, 3 5s are, 3 3s are, then by 3 again. Okay, 5 as it is, then by 5 again. Okay, so what will be the LCM? LCM of 6, 18 and what will be? 2 into, first was 2 and 2, 3 times 3 and last one was 5. Here I have seen from there. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 3 3s are 9. What will be the LCM? 90. The question was leaving 5 as a remainder. Okay, so the least number which leaves 5 as a remainder, the question is leaving 5 as a remainder. What is that number? 90 is the least number. Okay, so when it will be divided by 6, 8 and 15, so which number? The least number. 90 plus 5, 95, and you have to do up to this, but I am proving that. You see, if you are dividing 95 children by which number? 6, 6 ones are 6, 3, 6 fives are 30. You see here 5 remainder, रह गया 5 रिमाइंडर, फिर उसके बाद 95, फिर उसके बाद 15, 15 6 जा 90. What is left? 5 as a remainder. Same way by 18. So in each and every case, if 95 is divided by 6, 8 and 6, 15 and 18, you will see every time 5 will remain as a remainder. So answer will be 95. Now we are going to start question number. Question number was, I think, 9th question. Question number 9th. Okay. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 8. Smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. First of all, you have to find out LCM. Okay. 18, 24 and 32. I taught this type of sum, but I am doing this one also. Okay. So that you will get idea. There I have shown earlier by multiple method. Okay, now I am showing by 4-digit number how to write. Question number, it is 9 question. 4-digit number and divisible by 1824 and LCM of 18, 24 and 32. 18, 24 and 32. Now by 2. 2 9s are, 2 12s are, 2 16s are. Then 2 6s are, 2 8s are. Then again by 2, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. Afterward I will solve this one. Okay, I will do 2 2s are. Then again by 2, 2 1s are. Now by 3, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Then again by 3. Understood, children? Now LCM we will write here. LCM is equal to, how many times 2 were there? 1 2 3 4 5 times 2 and 2 times 3. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 3 is a 48. 48 into 3. Once again, let me see. Let me check. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 to the 32. Sorry, I have written wrong. 32. Here it will come 32. I was thinking 5 times, 6 times, 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. Okay, into 3, into 9. Okay, into 9. We will do with 9 now here. 3 3 is a 9. 9. Let us check. 3 3 is a 1 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 and 3 3s are 9, right? 32, and here, oh, here also I have to change 32 into 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27 and 1 288. Understood? Now children, the smallest 4-digit number, write down smallest, as I have written greatest 3-digit number in earlier. Okay, here smallest 3-digit number, that is 1000. And if you will divide 288 by 288, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, it will be divisible by 3. 864 you will get by 3. Then 6, 3 and 1. Okay, So what will be the answer here after subtracting 4-digit number 1000 minus 136? Again you will get same 864. So what is that number? 864 is divisible by next number. What will be the next number? 4-digit, because this is the smallest 3-digit number. They ask 4-digit. Okay, 864 is greatest 3-digit number. फिर इसमें और 288 का मल्टीपल करोगे, ऐड करोगे, what will you get? 485 and then 8 and 3 11. So answer will be this one is the smallest 4-digit number divisible by 18. सुनो ध्यान से, यहाँ पर देखो LCM लिया, same way children as we have done. I taught you here. Just wait. हाँ यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर भी मैंने तुम्हें बोला था जैसे हम इस सम में भी 3-digit नंबर ले सकते हैं. ग्रेटेस्ट उन्होंने पूछा था, तो ग्रेटेस्ट लिया था, उसमें से हमने 120 से एलसीएम से डिवाइड किया, सो सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 960 3-digit नंबर आ गया था. बट इन दिस केस हियर व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 4-digit स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. तो 4-digit स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर आपने लिखा, ठीक है, तो उससे डिवाइड किया आपने 288 जो एलसीएम आया था, रिमाइंडर 136 आया. अब आपने इसमें से माइनस किया इसको, रिमाइंडर को, यू आर गेटिंग 864. सेम वे, इसका मतलब अब हमें तो 4-digit स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर चाहिए, तो 288 के टेबल में जो नेक्स्ट, दैट मीन्स जो 288 नाइन्स आएगा वो ये आएगा. ओके, क्योंकि हमने इसको ऐड कर दिया, रेपिटेटिव डिवीजन करके हमें मिल गया कि स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर क्या आएगा 4-digit का. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? So I compared this question with previous question also. I hope you understood. This is a way to find out. Now the next question, that is question number 10. Question number 10, find the LCM of following number. सिंपल 9 and 4. ओके, 9 and 4 तुम्हें पता है कैसे निकालना, अभी मैंने बताया. 9 के फैक्टर करो 3 into 3, 4 के करो 2 into 2. तो एलसीएम क्या आएगा 9 and 4 का? 3 to the 6. कैसे लिखोगे एलसीएम इसका? एलसीएम ऑफ 9 and 4, एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. कोई भी एलसीएम लेते हुए अगर वो रिपीट होता है तो यू हैव टू राइट, है ना, 2 डिफरेंट नंबर में these are going to repeat 1 time. Okay, otherwise each and every factor you have to write. 3 is a 9, 9 4s are 36, so answer will be 36. Same way you have to do these parts also. Okay, common property of LCMs. And is LCM product of two number in each case? No, in each case this will not be the product of, okay, not in each and everything you will here. Okay, but not in each, and here you are getting, okay, here you are getting 36, here 60 you will get, here 30 you will get, here 60 you will get. Okay, but in each and every case it is not possible, but here all these sums you will get the same as a product of two numbers. Find LCM of the following in each one of the factor. You see here you will not get 5 factors of 5, 5 into 1. Okay, 20 के factors बनाएंगे, 5 into 4, 4 के 2 into 2. तो जो 5 है 1 time you will write. Okay, not 2 time. 5 into 2 into 2. So 5 to the 10 to the 20 will be the, okay, so this will be the answer. Here 6, इसमें 6 and 3, तो इधर 6 दोबारा रिपीट नहीं, तो इसका 18 आ जाएगा, इसका 48 आ जाएगा, इसका same way you will do all the parts. I hope you understood this exercise. This chapter is over. Any doubt you may write in the comment box. Okay, so you complete this chapter. Now we will switch on next chapter, and two sums left to discuss, I will definitely discuss again.